Guys, so magpapack na naman po ako ng aking luggage kasi finally is Manila or saan man ako nakatira. My luggage and full of clothes. You know, woman love clothes. Every different kind of clothes that I wear. Love it. Pag babae talaga mahilig sa kung ano-ano, anong damit, kung ano yung bago, yun ang susutin. Pag nasuot na, parang anong suotin. I don't know why I'm like that too. Before, it's okay for me, I keep repeating, but anyway. Abaywan ko po kung ba't ko po nilalagay yung power bank, hindi ko naisip na wala palang bulsa yung Sige, pero nilagay ko pa rin po guys, but ewan ko. Sometimes, I didn't, I don't pay attention for what I'm doing. Just only sometimes, guys. Siguro yung